Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you saw last week I took part in a RC rally in a forest, and today here with my friends we are preparing our own, let's say, RC rally track. In today's video I would like to show you how we do it, so maybe we can inspire you, and near your home, if you have this space, you can try to replicate, let's say, a RC rally track like that. It's not so hard to create such kind of stage. You just need there is a, okay, we are in a forest, it's normal, so you just need a metal rake, some brooms, and let me show you what we are doing. So as you can see, you just need to use just your creativity. With the metal rakes you start to dig in the ground to remove the leaves and the
stones.
Yeah, the stones.
Oh. It looks like we're gonna make a track and go home.
Yeah, maybe it's going to rain. And with the brooms we clean in order to make everything in a much more smooth way.
It's very easy job. Everyone can do it. You just need a forest. Tu możesz wyjść. Tu możemy zrobić nawrót, tu będziemy jechali, tu sobie podjedziemy do góry, zrobimy nawrót, już prostą, nawrót, prostą, no i nawrót.
Okay, we are almost done with the first part of, let's say, our stage. Let me explain you how we have organized it, since we don't have a lot of space. We have one long stage, and on each side we have created a place where we can turn and came back. So, what we did? First of all, with the metal rakes, we have removed the leaves and the roots. Then, with the brooms, we have cleaned the track in a proper way. And with a knife, we are cutting the bigger, let's say, roots that is impossible to remove with the broom or with the metal rake. Don't kill me.
I try to.
We are almost ready. Before putting the sport cones, we are going to test the track in a fast way in order to see if it's okay. My friend is driving a Tamiya XB02 with a modification into the steering system. It has a direct steering system. I don't know if you can see it. So let's see.
Look where you're driving.
In order to create this track, it took us 20 minutes.
No ale są przeklikane te, jak wiesz, jak się nabijesz hardkorowo na ten.
I need to end this video in this way, in a fast way, because it's starting to rain quite heavily. We hear some thunders around us and it's not safe to stay here. By the way, just to give you an idea, this is how the stage is going to look. We put the cones around Just I put some of them just to show you how it's done, and in this way you're ready to train and to have fun with your RC model. By the way, I need to go. Bye.